Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's tutorial, I did this purple mauve look, and if you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, to start, we will prime our eyelids, and I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Fair. To set our concealer, I will be using this color right here. And for today's look, we will be using these three purple colors. And we'll start with this color right here. And you can go back with the blending brush and just blend that. Then we'll be using this dark purple. And this will just go in the crease. And then we'll go with the blending brush and just blend it a little bit. And then for the center, we'll be using this color right here. And then I will be finishing my eye look with some eyelashes. And the ones I will be using today will be the Kiss High Curve Lashes. Okay, now that my eyelashes are on, then I'm gonna go with foundation, and the foundation I'll be using today will be the number 7 Airbrush Away Foundation in the color Cool Beige. And then to blend my foundation, I'll be using a Beige Cosmetics Studio Pro Dual Fiber brush with some fixed spots. To conceal our under eyes, we'll be using again the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Fair. And I'll list all the products I used in this video down in the description box. And to blend our concealer, I'll be using my beauty blender with some Fix Plus. And to set our foundation and our concealer, I'll be using the Rimmel London Stay Matte Long Lasting Pressed Powder in the color Foundation. And now for eyebrows, I'll be using a dark brown eyeshadow color from the Beige Day and Night 60 color eyeshadow palette. And I'll be using this color right here. And then I'll add 2 coats of mascara to my bottom lashes. And my favorite mascara is the Maybelline Great Lash Blackest Black. And for the bottom lashes, I'm gonna actually put the darkest purple that we ended up using. Now we will remove the powder from underneath our eye. And for bronzer today, we will be using the Sephora MicroSmooth Baked Bronzer Duo in the color Honey Heat. And then for highlight today, we will be using this pink color right here. We will also use the same color to highlight our inner corner. And for lips today, we will be using the Essence Lip Liner in the color Satin Mauve. And to top the liner off, we will be using the Tarteist lip paint in the color Birthday Suit. And to finish off our makeup, we will be using the NYX Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. And here is the finished look. And if you like this video, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you. Bye.